These are some of the ingredients that's going to be in our lemon pepper tofu. We've got mushrooms, tomatoes, parsley from the garden, fresh, extra firm organic tofu, and I've got a mixture of lemon pepper, pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, and chili powder. About half a teaspoon of each. Salt, you put as much as you want. Take your tofu out, about half an inch piece slices. It might not be exactly, but we're just eyeballing the size here. Arrange your slices nicely so we can put our mixture of the spices we made. I'm going to dry a little bit here because there's so much water that the tofu was sitting in. Our mixture of the spices we got. And just sprinkle on everything. Probably use your hand. I like to rub in a little bit. I like a lot of spices. Lemon pepper just complements the parsley we are going to use at the end. After that, you can just put it on top of each other. Like that. Let it just sit there for about five minutes. We don't have to wash the cutting board because we like all these spices. So I'm going to cut my mushrooms right there. It doesn't look as pretty, but you're getting all the taste there that's left on there. And I've got my tomatoes. I'm just having small tomatoes. 2 of them is good enough. And parsley. I am going to use a lot of parsley. I get it from my garden, so I use a lot of it. It's almost gonna be like my greens, you know. And I cut the stems too. They're not too thick. I cut them smaller and I cook everything. If they're too tough and old, then you don't want them. Unless you're cooking a stew or something where it will boil up. Okay, we're going to add our olive oil. Tofu in. Put your heat on medium high. You have to be careful when you're turning it because it's so soft. You have to be gentle with them. Putting my heat down on medium. add my mushrooms. I have a video that I made about a week ago or so, but I had the tofu, but it didn't have the tomatoes in it. I love the tomatoes. You can do it even without that. As long as you put the spices in there, it should be good. And the parsley just adds on to it. Alright. I'm going to add parsley and tomatoes. Lots of parsley, but it's good. It's good. It's good. It's so delicious. This is gonna be so delicious. Like if you wanted to make something like, the look of scrambled eggs, you could do that. Just chop the tofu into little pieces. The tomatoes are adding some water to the pot. It's fine because I like a little bit of. It's gonna make some sauce. You see, I'm going to be picking up just the tofu out and cook down a little bit of cook down the mushrooms and the tomatoes and parsley a little bit. All right. So I'm going to just take the tofu out. It's fine if there's some mushrooms and stuff. It's cooked all right. But I like to cook it a little bit more. You have to be gentle with tofu. It's so soft. I'm going to reduce the heat and just try to cook down this a little bit. And some parsley over here. Cook you can add whatever you want to these things. This is another way where you can cook just mushrooms with tomatoes and parsley right there. This is all done. So we are going to just dish. Oh, that is delicious, people. That is superb. That is good, 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 people. There we go. What do you think? That is delicious right there. I love it. This is so good. Let's give it a taste. I like to have a bite of each. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, let's have some. Mm-mm-mm. I'm putting it on the rice. I like it with the rice. Oh, that looks so good, people. That is delicious.